Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take you through the process of how to make your party jollof rice. Yes, actually I'm using beef to make mine, so stay tuned. So first thing, you need to deseed your red bell pepper, and after deseeding them, you have to wash it and cut it into tiny pieces. We are actually gonna put it inside the oven. Yeah, so story time. That men have pride. Men have pride. I told this man today that we should eat. And he said, no, he's not hungry. Do you know, immediately I said the plates, he wanted the meat. Oh, God, I just told you his secret, right? He loves meat so much. That is why anytime you see me cook, I use plenty of meats. Anyway, let's get into our cooking. That was just a commercial break. So I went in to wash my tatashe. Yeah, as you can see, is it tatashe or shongbo? Yeah, Nigeria call it tatashe, but here they call it sweet peppers. Yeah, over here in America, they call it sweet peppers. So I deseed them too, because if you don't deseed them, I went on to wash my tomatoes and take out the best of the tomatoes. As you can see, yep. And then I'm going to now bring your pan out, listed the peppers and everything we washed. So this is me lining up. This is how you're going to line up your pepper. Don't forget. Just watch the way I am lining them up, like in a very organized way. You see? Just keep watching and learning, because I have seen that some of you people are cooking jollof rice in a different way. You see my pepper? Yes, I am putting my garlic with just the back. I did not peel my garlic. That is why I kept it there. Now I'm going to divide my tomato into two, as you can see, and then I'm going to place them in the pan. I use a lot of tomato because I like tomatoes in my jollof rice. Yeah. So I went ahead and I took that out, and then I think I brought my. So the next one, you can see I have my onions right there. So I'm going to go ahead to spray some oil on it so that it would burn with it. That's smoky, so that we can have that smoky flavor from the tomato pastes. Yeah, just watch and see what I do next. Actually, the oil I'm using, if you want your jollof rice to come out good, it smell and have this delicious taste, don't forget to use your sesame oil to spray on the pepper, the onions, the garlic, that you're going to put inside your pan. You see, I am showing you actually the way I make mine, because I know a lot of people struggle making a good party jollof rice. So that is why I'm actually showing you and explaining why I'm doing that. So guys, now let's go ahead and wash our beef. So take this out. I'm recording it.
This one? Where do you want it?
Just put it anywhere. So we are gonna take out this fat off.
Yeah. You want to try one of these? Okay.
Then we are gonna cut it into big chunks. So this is what we have. So in our blender, we're gonna go in with our ginger, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some habanero, some garlic, some tatashi. This green bell pepper is always making me peace of it because at times you just lose that contact of chicken. Yeah, so we are gonna blend this to season our beef. So stay tuned. So we are ready to cook that, as you can see. So alright, I let it cook. So actually, this is what our roasted bell pepper and the onions we roasted in the oven for an hour looks like. Yeah, that's what you will have, because it's gonna give you the smoky flavor. So we are going to put this into our blender and we'll blend it. See, you're going to have this thick consistency. Like, just keep watching and I will show you what it looks like. It's not gonna be watery, but it's gonna be thick, like so thick, like you know all those tomato paste whereby you boil them. Yeah, that is what it's gonna look like. So just keep watching. Don't mind me. Just keep watching and kill time. Well, I'm gonna show you how that is being done. Yeah, now I'm taking out my garlic from the what is it called? You know how you peel garlic? Yeah, so I was just peeling my garlic. Yeah, because actually after you take it out of the oven, it's gonna be like a little bit slimy. Should I say that? Yes, because it's gonna be potty when you're bringing it out. Yeah, so now we are gonna put it into our blender, and you know this blender is always disappointing anyway, but we change it. Look at how it is. Yeah, you see, that is the consistency you're actually looking for. Now let's go into our frying pan with some oil to fry our meat until it turns golden brown. Yeah. Now we're gonna heat up that oil for a minute. I'm gonna be taking the beef out, as you can see. And now I'm gonna set aside this tap water for cooking the jollof rice. Waiting for the oil to heat up. Let's go ahead and wash our rice. that is. So we go ahead and add our sauce to the rice and let it stay inside the water for like 3 to 4 minutes. So now that our oil is heating up, so we go in with our onions for flavoring. Yeah. So, we are now going to go in with the beef. So we let that fry and we'll be back. This is what our beef looks like. Yes, so let's get into the main dish. We're going in with some bay leaves. Yep, as you can see. And I'll add some onions to it. Yeah, but I added this right now so that it will not stink on my body. We're going in with our tomato paste. Yeah. I'm gonna stir this together. My flavorful, no? I'm very quick for about some minutes, and then we'll be back. We're adding some curry, a little bit of curry to it, a little bit of thyme. Then I'm gonna go in with some spicity, very good of it. Going in with all our pepper, the mixture we had. Yeah, you see how it is? There will be very cute. This will help your jollof rice. This will help take your jollof rice to the next level anyway. Yeah. I know that period was coming, so you stir this together because there was no water inside that sauce, so I'm gonna stir it together so everything mixed together. We'll be going in with our washed rice. So I'm gonna add some of my stock water to it.
Come on.
And then so I'm going to go in with some of my paprika. I'm going to go in with some salt. I'm professional right here. And then I go in with some of my jollof seasoning. Yeah. And a little bit of spicity again. Very little. Then I'm gonna stir it together again. So I'm gonna cover it like this and let it cook. See you again. What are you watching? Little bit of butter to this. Oh. Add some green and bell peppers. And then I add some of my chicken gizzard. And I add my onions. So guys, this is what your party jollof would look like. Very demure, very not gummy in the body, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts on these videos.